Morning everybody, Wednesday the 15th of July. We're out in our crop of Mullica spring wheat. This is a seed crop and Jack and I have actually been out here weeding. So roguing, pulling weeds out. So let's just show you why and show you the results of our efforts. Yep. So as you can see, we've got a little bit of wild oats here at the edge, and as we pan around you can see that this side of the field is quite badly affected. So a couple of years ago we filled in a ditch here, so as you can see the land slopes down and kind of we're standing on the ditch now. It goes through, and more about that ditch going forward. And as you can see, this field is quite badly affected. So seed is subject to an inspection, and the inspector's been out and he's decided that this side of the field hasn't passed. So we won't be combining this. For seed, this will go in a separate heap. We'll combine the rest of the field first, put that in the clean, and then this bit will be put in a rejected pile. So that's the rejected field. Most of it's pretty good actually, as you can see from here. It's just these occasional bits, so we'll cut round that. But I just wanted to show you, I've just dumped my bag, and so this is a big bag full of wild oats. So mostly came from just around the telegraph poles. So we've pulled those out, and hopefully that means we can get the rest of this crop off as seed. Interestingly, how green this crop is staying. This is probably one of our strongest fields. It yielded really well last year. I think we got about 6.5 tons from spring wheat, so that was really encouraging, and it's looking as if it's found some moisture again this year. So really pleased with that. Hopefully a couple of days like this where the temperature isn't too high will just give it a chance to recover and not senesce too quickly, and hopefully we can repeat the performance of last year when in fact it was one of our highest margin crops. So now let's cross across to the other side and see how they're getting on with our other trenching works. Morning everybody. So I just wanted to try and explain what was going on in this ditch. So I've got a drone footage of earlier in the scheme, just where we started, and the reason I'm sitting in this ditch is hopefully it cuts out the wind a little bit. But we've got a ditch here, it's about 6 feet deep, dry in summer, but it runs in winter. We've got about 4 land drains that run into it. It consistently gets quite overgrown, and therefore maintaining it is quite difficult. The other side of the farm buildings, we've already put it underground, so we were looking to do the same here. The added complication in this particular case is we had to dodge a power line, a 33 kVA power line. So as you can see, this is the line of the ditch, and we've managed to find the outfall that comes from this side of the field. So this side is all got an old drainage scheme, tile drain. So we've picked it up here and we've gone across the ditch so that we can fill this ditch in, and then we've run a drain back towards the new main drain over here, and we've connected it in. So this has had the effect of we have now joined 3 drainage schemes. So this area out here is all drained and it comes across here and it joins into the main drain around where the digger is, and this one here drains all the way over there, and then this one goes all the way, a main drain right into the corner where we've got a bit of a spring, and hopefully that'll enable us to sort this out in the future. So thank you very much to Agra Power for all their work and help and assistance in sorting this out. So I'm going to cut to a quick drone flyover of the whole route as it's now completed.